Welcome to this Yoga Nidra. My name is Emma, and this is a journey through the layers of self into your truth. So welcome, love. Make yourself deeply comfortable, perhaps lying down, a blanket covering your body, a cushion behind knees and head. Let this be a time of returning to comfort, to self. Let this be medicine for your being. As you settle, close the eyes. Feel the shape of the body being held, unfolding slowly into the earth, the ground beneath you. You are safe to rest. Notice the parts of the body touching the ground or the surface, heels, back of the thighs, parts of the spine, shoulder blades, the back of the head. Sense into the feeling of support, constant, steady. Perhaps a sigh is released through the mouth as you settle further still. Feel the breath like a tide gently rising and retreating. Inhale, body softening, receiving. Exhale, body letting go. There's nowhere to go, nothing to do. Let all scattered parts return home to this breath. The swell of breath returning home. As you settle more deeply, a seed of intention may rise. This seed is your sankalpa, sacred vow, whispered truths already alive within. You may repeat softly in your mind, I trust my voice, I speak from truth, I am. Or allow your own words to rise now as a phrase, a feeling, a knowing. Say your sankalpa 3 times internally with a quiet reverence. Or rest into I trust my voice. I speak from truth. I am. As this settles, invite awareness to move gently through the body, as if your breath lights small lanterns, highlighting truth as it travels. Beginning at crown of the head, forehead, eyes, cheeks, jaw, throat, gently lit, soft and open. Awareness to right shoulder, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, palm of the right hand, the tips of each finger and thumb, back of the hand, wrist, elbow, shoulder, heart space, left shoulder, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, palm of the left hand, tips of each finger and thumb, back of the hand, wrist, elbow, left shoulder, heart space, both arms resting, held in light, resting in ether, heart center, front of the heart, back of the heart, whole heart filling with light, a gentle flicker growing brighter with each flowing breath. Upper back, back of the neck, hollow of neck, shoulder blade, mid back, lower back, sacrum, resting, light, pelvis, belly, hips, rooted and spacious, lantern alight, right thigh, knee, shin, ankle, sole of the right foot, all toes, ankle, knee, thigh, right hip, left thigh, knee, shin, ankle, sole of the foot, each toe, left foot, ankle, knee, left thigh, both legs long, relaxed, filled with light. Feel the entire body now resting in stillness, bathed in light, held by the ground, wrapped in light, held by the earth, held in light. Breath, breath within the body as a current, breath as thread, breath a channel for prana. Sense the soles of each foot, left, right. Inhale. Imagine a golden thread rising through the body. Inhale. Soles of feet, legs, pelvis, spine, skull, soles of feet, crown of head. Inhale, golden thread. Exhale, red thread, ancient and whole, descending through spine, womb space, legs, feet. Red thread, breath descending. Exhale. Inhale, golden thread. Exhale, red thread. These threads weaving your truth. Soul and lineage connect. Threads alive, weaving, receiving truth. Golden thread ascending, soles of the feet, crown of the head. Red thread descending, crown of the head, soles of the feet. The gentle weaving. Consciousness ascending, receiving. Consciousness descending, embedding. Golden thread, red thread, the gentle weaving. Sense the thread, the soft current, gathering all energy to wholeness. Begin to spiral. Red twists with gold. A helix of soul and bloodline. Codes of truth. Returning. Whole. Woven as one. Red thread. Golden thread. Sense lightness. Whole body floating. And sense heaviness, as if you are made of stone. Sense lightness within the body, floating. Sense heaviness, body made of stone. Sense warmth, a soft glow through the body, and coolness, like spring water in the limbs. Warmth, a soft glow through the body. Coolness, like spring water in the limbs. A wide open sky. The mist before dawn. Sensations dance in a spiral through the body. Each thought wave softens, merging with the body like rain on earth. Mind merged with body, presence beyond thought, sensing, becoming. Drift into the deeper wisdom of the body, the place where knowing becomes truth. In this vastness, the body becomes space, a quiet womb where all things are possible. Golden thread of soul weaving within this space, intuitive beyond words. Let knowing arrive. Return to the seed you planted, Sankalpa. Repeat again. I trust my voice. I speak from truth. I am. Rippling through each layer of your being, from skin to breath to mind to soul. This intention is alive, already becoming. Rest now with this peace, the quiet joy of simply being. You are whole. You are here. Feel bliss arise. Sense nectar within the heart. Receive the body's prayer. This is the soul's rest. Begin to return gently. Awareness poured back into the body, golden light into a sacred cup. Feel breath deepening, body awakening. Slow and gentle wiggle the fingers, the toes. Intuitive movements through body. Breath present. Awareness returning to the earth that holds you, the support within and around you. Roll softly to one side, perhaps pausing in the liminal. Awareness returning to sound sound and senses. Rest here for as long as you like. Only when ready, slowly rise, bringing with you that sense of truth and nourishment from the soul's rest. You may wish to place your hand or hands over your heart and whisper one last time, I am here. I am ready. I am. If you feel called, you may wish to honor this inner journey with a simple ritual. Hold a red thread and a golden or yellow thread in your hands. Feel into your roots. Feel into your heart space, your soul. Write a short note or your sankalpa, a truth you are ready to live. Wrap the threads around it and place it somewhere sacred. An altar, a journal, a bedside drawer, beneath your pillow. Let it remind you you are the weaver of your life. This is your time, your voice, your becoming. You belong. You are home.